ring. There is a semicircular ring have charge q, radius r. We have to calculate electric field at this point at center of the ring. So if we take small element in that ring of dq, theta angle from horizontal, then electric field, this element is very small, so d theta will also be very small. So dE, electric field due to dq is acting away, that is dE. So dE will be equal to k charge on dq element dq upon r square, that is expression of electric field due to a point charge. So because that dE is directing with a certain angle from horizontal, so they will have two components, dE cos theta, dE sin theta. Let us calculate vertical component. What about dq? How to calculate dq? As this charge q is distributed over the semicircular ring, so dq will be equal to charge per unit angle. What angle that arc will cover, that is pi. From this end to this end, total angle is pi. So charge per unit radian is pi. So q by pi into d theta. So dq will be equal to q upon pi into d theta. So dq can be replaced by q d theta. Let us calculate vertical component. EV is equal to integration of dE sin theta. So dE is, and limit will be from 0 to pi, because this arc is varying from one end to other end. If you want to calculate electric field due to small arc, then angle may vary from 0 to theta of arc theta. You can also calculate. You can calculate from 0 to 90 degree also. So only you have to change the limit. Now E vertical component will be equal to dE k capital Q upon pi r square is constant. You can take outside. Theta is variable, so integration of sin theta into d theta, limit from 0 to pi, integrated, it will be equal to k capital Q upon pi r square. Integration of sin theta is minus cos theta, limit 0 to pi. Now k capital Q upon pi r square minus cos pi. Cos pi is minus 1. So minus minus plus 1. Minus cos 0. So cos 0 minus minus plus cos 0 is 1. So it becomes 1 plus 1, 2. So E vertical component will be equal to k capital Q upon pi r square into 2. That is E vertical. If you will calculate resultant along electric field along horizontal, that is E horizontal, so that will be integration of dE cos theta 0 to pi, and that will be equal to 0. If you will solve in the same way, you will get E horizontal component 0. In that case only. If you will take some other range, then that may vary. Horizontal and vertical component may vary. Because we have two components here, E vertical, E horizontal, and they are vertical perpendicular to each other. So E will be equal to E vertical square plus 0 square. If you have some finite horizontal component, you will take that EH here, that finite value of EH here. So this will be equal to EV. So E vertical, E will be equal to E vertical, that is k 2q upon pi r square, directing which side? Directing downward. Directing downward.